Wild, colli allan i Burke. Ymlaen, Wilson a'r beniad Packer yn ei chanol i. Wignall, cael ei hebrwng yn ôl gan Smith, a mae Smith i'r engipio'r bêl yn erbyn Danby, ac o fewn 7 munud mae'r tîm cartra y Bala wedi mynd ar y blaen. Yma ar faes tegid, Smonach gan Wignall. Ddim yn gwybod lle oedd Smith, y cyflymder gan yr amddiffynwr. Mae tarawdd yn chodi dros Danby. Packer, nôl tuag at Morris. Venables yn rhoi. Morris dan bwysa, Danby'n holli'r cliriad syth i Sheridan. Smith chwilym i ail. Gwaith da gan George Horan. Sheridan nôl i'r Cwrt Cosby. Oddi ar Henry Jones. Chwarter awr di chwarae. A mae'r Bala di dyblu mantais. Elfen o look yn y Cwrt Cosby. Ond i Henry Jones a'r Bala'n poeni dim. Oddi ar i ben glin. Y Bala 2, Cei Connah dim. Packer. Wnaeth eto dan bwysa Wilson yn clirio fyny'r cae. Burke yno o flaen Wild, groesiad i mewn tuag at Thames sy'n cael ei wthio yn ei gefn. Kick o'r Smotin. Dim amheuaeth gan Hugh Jones, y dyfarnwr. Be ar y ddiar oedd yn drwy feddwl George Horan. Henry Jones chwilym i ail o'r Prynhawn. Danby ar arbediad yn ei wych. Di dyfalu y ffordd cywir. Disney margu crydd i'r eilydd. Rob Hughes sy'n crymanu'r bêl tuag at y Cwrt Cosby. O, mae ar ben Nathan Burke. 10 munud o'r hanner cynta yn weddill. A mae Cei Connah yn ôl yn y gêm. Disney i Rob Hughes, mae o wedi creu argraff ers dod ymlaen fel eilydd. Y heibio i Miley tuag at y Cwrt Cosby. Y groesiad tuag at Andy Owens. A mae Andy Owens yn dod â Cei Connah yn gyfartal. Na, mae'r llyman wedi godi. Fydd i ddim yn cyfri. Hughes yn creu trwch blewyn. Ond wneith i ddim cyfri. Owens ar dafliad hir tuag at George Horan sy'n cael ei ben iddi gynta. A mae'n taro traws. Cei Connah yn pwyso. Ac yn anlwcus unwaith eto. Danby yn ceisio cyflym neu pethau i Wilson. Groesiad Letsaws tuag at y postyn pella. Mae'n disgyn i Wignall ar ergyd. O, mae'n fflachio ac yn taro'r postyn. Ddim yn hir neu fydd Cei Connah'n gyfartal. Wignall ar ergyd o 20 llath. Ciro Morris ond ddim y postyn. Wolf ac i cryd bwerus. Packer! O, mae dal yn rhydd yno. George Horan a Morris. Horan oddi ar Burns. Callum Morris ar cyfle. Dros y traws. Dihangfa arall i'r tîm cartra. Wolf ar i cryd Morris. Methu gael ei afal yn ni. Falle sa Packer wedi gwneud y well. Ond y Bala rywsyn ei gilydd yn clirio'r bêl. A Morris o dan bwysa yn taran yna dros y traws. Cei Connah'n pwyso goset. O'na'n bêl wych tuag at Ian Sheridan ochr bell ar cae. Henry Jones yn y canol tuag at Jones. Jones am drydedd na. Danby i'r adwy. Gwrth ymosodiad gan y Bala. A falle ddylsa Jones yn ar bêl nadra fo heno. Henry Jones, Cei Connah yn gadael bwlchan y cefn tuag at Thames sy'n mewn i Wilson. O, mae'r llyman di godi. A Thames yn cicio'r bêl i ffwrdd. Mae di gweld un Cerdyn Melyn yn yr ail hanner. A mae'n di weld ail Cerdyn Melyn. Cerdyn Coch i prif sgoriwr uwch Gynghrair Cymru. Yn y funud ola. Ond y bwysicach i ddyfethu'r gêm nesaf yn erbyn Cei Connah ar ddydd Calan.
The game was outstanding. The game in the first half was as good a game as I've seen in the Welsh Premier. It was toe-to-toe, it was battles. Two good teams, two really competitive, well, all competitive lads having a go against each other. And it was good, a really good advert for the Welsh Premier, you know, and it was good. And we started the game really well. We had to, because they're a quality side, really good side, and we had to. I thought second half they come into the game and they changed things, and, you know, like their full time come into it and stuff. So it was difficult, but, you know, if the penalty goes in, that's 3-0, and they don't come back from that. And then when you're at 2-0, which we've been a lot this season, then you get to 2-1 and it's difficult, but the lads were outstanding. I can't ask any more from them.
Today, you know, we didn't start right. We gave sloppy goals away, and you know, by the time we woke up, we were 2-0 down, and you know, so we got back to 2-1, and you know, it's the Alamo second half. You know, we've hit the crossbar, we've hit the post, we had numerous ones cleared off the line, and you know, the lads showed great character to come back into it. And you know, a draw most certainly would not have flattered us today. A win might have flattered us, but a draw didn't. And you know, I've yet to see the offside goal, so I can't really pass a judgment on that until I've seen it. But you know, the lads think they think it's a harsh decision, but we'll see. So yeah, listen, we go again. You know, I thought the performance, apart from that early start, was very, very good. And you know, like I say, we've dominated the game, but it's about winning games of football. It's not about dominating games. It's about winning, and they've come out today as the winners.
Oedd yn gêm dda heno. Oedd yn gwybod bod ni'n mynd i fod fyny yn erbyn o. Mae bob tro anodd o chwarae yn erbyn tîm llawn amser fel Connah's Cei. Dim ond ni digio fewn a ie, result dda iddyn ni.